Hello everyone, hi, hope your day is going well. Today we'll be looking at the projects we worked on some time ago. We're going to be taking this project down, so this is mainly for documentation purposes in a sense. So this is it, welcome alumni. So it's a photo book or album for, or more like a yearbook for alumni from KNUST. So the online KNUST Alumni Yearbook to capture all the memories from graduation made by Civic. Welcome alumni. So graduates, art graduates, search graduates, and these are social media handles, right? Social media links. Twitter, YouTube, TikTok, GitHub, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn. So graduates, right? So we come down. Adum, this is picture, shows the year 2023. And then we can view comments if there are any comments. Then we have the rest, Bristy, Caleb, Damien, Ransford, so yeah, Chelsea, Johnston, Solomon Bright. Kakalo will say we can go to the next page. Shows more people, right? Address, yeah, cool. Next, Hamish, Patience, Priscilla, yeah. So it's just a picture book, right? And I think there are comments. Let me see if I can find comments on one of them. I think there are some comments on, yeah. Yeah. So there are some comments here, right? So you can leave a comment as well. And you can add a graduate. So you'd add the name, the year, their about, and you can choose the file to upload, the picture to upload. And then we have search graduates. So if you are looking for someone specific, you can search by either their name or their year, right? Maybe you know the year the person graduated, 2024, 2025. You search using the year. Or if you know the person's name, you search using the name. So I think we saw Chelsea. So let's search Chelsea. So that's her right here, right? Chelsea. All right, so that's basically it. That's all there is. That's all there is to the platform. Very simple, very straightforward. Just a yearbook, right? But we're going to be taking this down, and that's the main reason for this video, just to show that at a point in time, this project did exist, and this is what it was for, right? Maybe if someone sees it and wants to build on it for some use case somewhere else, they could do that, right? Because this is something that definitely can be used for any school to serve as an online yearbook for the school, right? I know there are certain places where in their schools they have like a physical yearbook where they literally have a picture day. The students go take pictures and then the school handles the printing of the yearbook, either the school or the SRC or the prefects or whatever organization in the school, right? Or the student committee, something like that. So yeah, this is just an online version of that, right? And the idea is actually for people to add themselves. So if I graduate, I come, I put my name, I put the year I graduated, I put my about, maybe I can put like a quote I like, or I can put something short about myself. Then I can choose my picture and then upload my picture, then I submit the details, right? The plan was to actually build on top of this and make it a platform for alumni where they can also connect with each other. They can search for job opportunities. Maybe other graduates from other batches ahead of them might own some companies or something, and they might post job updates on there. People can also find other people who perhaps graduated with them or graduated before them or graduated after them who are in certain fields. So let's say you are looking for someone who is into agriculture, they own certain farms, and you are trying to go into fish farming. And there's one of your alumni who is into fish farming already. You can use a platform to find them, connect with them, and learn from them, maybe even have a collaboration of some sort, right? So that was the future plan for the platform, but we scrapped that and then just made it a yearbook to see how it would be received first before we build on top of that. So this is the yearbook. Once again, like I said, we are taking down this project. We are basically canceling this project, right? So if there's anyone who's interested who would like to take on the project, feel free to do so. You could implement something similar for your school, especially if you are in senior high school, right? Because I think high school in general, because it would be a good way to build your technical skills and also provide something of value to your school, to your class, to your graduating class. So you could build it specifically for alumni, again, of course. And when you're graduating, maybe you could also start organizing like a picture day where everyone would take pictures. So I think maybe if you're part of like an SRC committee for one of the high schools, you could look into something like this. Maybe find a way to implement it yourself, or well, if you like us to implement it for you, since we have a working version already, you can always contact us and we'll be happy to work with you to do that. So yeah, you have something like that for your school, and then it basically helps to serve as an online memory for your entire the entire generation of graduates from whatever school you are in, right, or whatever school you are graduating from. Yeah, so if anyone would like to take out the project, feel free. If you'd like to collaborate on this for your school specifically, don't hesitate to reach out. Our email is right here. Contact us on the email, not the phone number. Contact us on the email. You might not reach us if you contact the phone number, so contact the email, right? Just send us an email, or even go through one of our social media platforms. LinkedIn, we are available. Instagram, we are also available, and Twitter. Yeah, if you would like to reach us quickly, you could either try Twitter, Instagram, or LinkedIn, or send us an email. So thank you, and by the time this video is out, I'm pretty sure this platform would be non-existent. All right, cool. Enjoy.